Hi guys, this is Debojyoti here, and today we are going to try out the buffet lunch of Flame and Grill, which is located at Money Square, and the cost of the buffet over here is 866 rupees inclusive of all tax. And as always, I'll drop the Google Map link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Come, let's eat. Wait, before I begin, this is to remind you, if you haven't already, do click the subscribe button so that you never miss another update from this channel, and also click the bell icon so that you get notified first when I upload a new video. And do follow me in Zomato and Instagram, as I post the pictures of food photography over there. And also download my app from Google Play Store. I'll drop the link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Come, let's eat. Flame and Grill is an upscale fine dine restaurant serving tabletop grill buffets. And this outlet of Flame and Grill is located at the 4th floor of Money Square Mall and doesn't need much introduction, as it's a part of specialty group of restaurants, and thus having a good fine ambience aided with courteous staffs. The buffet comprises of 4 veg and 4 non-veg kebabs, which was served at the table, along with chicken quesadilla, mutton seekh kebab and tandoori chicken. The mutton seekh kebab had perfect blend of spices, and so was the tandoori chicken, and adding a bit of mint chutney elevated its taste even more. The chicken quesadilla had a nice crispy flaky exterior and contained generous amounts of spicy minced chicken. These are the chicken malai kebabs, and it had a lip-smacking taste, as the chicken pieces were marinated in a cashew paste and other Afghani spices, followed by the very unique and flavorful pineapple kebab, which had a nice charred and smoky flavor. It had a harmony of different flavors, as it was sweet, spicy and tangy all at the same time. The fish hariyali kebab was very soft and delicious, followed by the tandoori baby potato kebabs, which was nothing exceptional but tasted nice. The soft and fresh paneer kebabs was grilled to perfection and had a nice flavor of green chilies and cumin, and adding a bit of mint chutney made it more flavorful. The good sized prawn kebabs was equally appetizing as it was very fresh and had a nice flavor of green chilies and carom seeds. This is the live chaat counter where one can order papri chaats, dahi vadas, dhoklas and pani puris. This is the salad section, which had 4 types of salads along with different types of pickles and fresh cut salad items. In the veg main course section, we have the very basic steamed rice, followed by a brinjal paste curry along with yellow pulse curry, which I think needs no introduction. These are the assorted Indian breads, followed by the very tasty paneer methi masala, which complemented the breads really well. The paneer pieces were very soft and spongy and absorbed the flavors of the curry really well. Followed by the greenish non-spicy mushroom peas spinach leaves curry, which was nothing exceptional, and frankly speaking, I didn't like it. The vegetables Hakka noodles had tons of spring onions, carrots and cabbage, followed by the mixed vegetable Chinese styled curry, which are a good option for all the vegetarian patrons visiting here. The non-veg main course section begins with the mutton biryani, which was garnished very nicely with fried onions, and the biryani had a mouth-watering aroma. The large mutton pieces were very soft and tender, and the rice of the biryani was neither too oily nor it was too dry. It had a perfect consistency and was simply superb. The chicken chop complemented the biryani very well, as it had the perfect blend and balance of different spices, and needless to mention that the chicken pieces were very soft and absorbed the flavors of the curry really well. This one is the finely minced super spicy mutton curry, having a nice aroma of garlic and dry red chilies, and it was cooked with green peas, which complemented the soft spongy buns really well. This one is the sarson wali mach, which is basically fish in mustard gravy. Fresh basha fish fillets are deep fried to perfection and then cooked in a mild spicy concoction of different green chilies, mustard and other herbs and spices, followed by the boneless chili chicken and the super spicy duck egg curry, which tasted equally well. This is the dessert section, which had fresh cut fruits like sweet watermelon and ripe papaya, along with 4 types of mousse. Lychee flavored fini was something very unique, followed by the different assorted pastries and hot malpuas. Also comprised of different ice creams like vanilla, tutti frutti, coffee and mango flavored ice creams, along with different toppings like chocolate chips, caramelized nuts and a hot chocolate sauce to end the buffet on a sweet note. So if you have made this far, I really appreciate if you hit the like button if you have enjoyed the video, and if you have enjoyed the video, what's the harm in sharing it? Thanks for watching and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.